Happy Friday! Thank you for joining us today for Family Friday, Healthy Living, Healthy Eating. And I'm Bailey with the Altus Public Library. This program is made possible through the Oklahoma Department of Libraries, the Institute of Museum and Library Services, and Southwestern Rural Electric Operation Roundup. Okay, so what are we doing today? As you can see, I have some ingredients in front of me, and we are going to be making healthy popsicles. Not only healthy popsicles, healthy yogurt sickles. And on a day like today where it is in the 90s and really hot outside, this is a quick, easy, healthy, refreshing snack for you and your kids. So let's get started. All right, so what you're going to need is some yogurt, and it takes a cup of yogurt. I already have mine measured out. Some honey. Local honey is great. It's really good for allergies too. And some mixed berry fruit. Now where you can experiment is you can try different fruits, try up the flavor, maybe add some cinnamon to this, but those are your main ingredients. Also a banana. We're going to slice this banana and put a slice in the cups, and that's going to help our popsicle sticks stay in place. Now, making this ahead of time, I realize it's really good if you can have silicone cups instead of the paper ones, because you have to use a lot of paper for it to hold the liquid. You could also use just some icicle or ice trays that you have at home. You really could be free with what you put your liquids in, as long as it's something that holds it into place and allows it to freeze. Okay, and then you'll need some sort of blender. I just have this Ninja here. You could use a regular blender, whatever you have at home, in order to mix all of this up. All right, so first we're going to add our yogurt. Like I said, I'd already measured this out in a cup's worth, and this is just some plain Greek yogurt. You could use Greek vanilla yogurt. You could experiment and use the strawberry flavor. You really can just kind of make it your own. And then a cup of frozen mixed berries. So again, I measured this out. I had exactly a cup left. And there's your frozen berries. And then it says add honey to what you would like, about 1/8 a cup. And so I just drizzle a little bit and then call it good. Then we're gonna put our lid on and we're going to mix it up. All right, we got it all mixed up. And I've already put the banana slices in the bottom, and now you can just pour this over. And again, since I'm using paper cups, I'm not filling them up very full. Next time I'll either get some silicone cups or just use a popsicle tray. Really can use whatever you would like. And it makes quite a bit. I even still have some left in here. And then I'm gonna take the popsicle sticks, stick it right in the middle of that banana. That way it holds them up nicely. And I'm out of a popsicle stick. All right, and here we go. Here's some that I made earlier, and you just peel off the paper. And you have then there's a cute little banana at the end, and perfect. Perfect treat for a warm day. I'll post the recipe in the comments below the video. Hope you enjoy. Have a great weekend.